My time at Mines is nothing that I would have pictured a few years ago, but being able to just say yes to opportunities and get involved in research and many different communities around campus has been a great experience.
My time at Mines was a complex combination of working really hard to get an education that I really value, while also getting to meet a lot of really amazing people and really amazing leaders.
I came to do a master's and then I loved it so much, I continued on to do a PhD.
On an academic level, Mines really allowed me to flourish and gain that level of depth and understanding that I probably don't know if I would have if I had gone to another school.
My research is focused on shockwave interactions and reactive materials, which is related to the safety of explosives.
I do research focused on critical minerals, so I look into the strategic, economic, and computational side of critical minerals, apply economics to critical minerals as such.
You know, we have that slogan that we climb together, and I think that's very much true. All I see is Mines students always just supporting each other and wanting to work together on homeworks, projects, and things like that.
I don't think I would have been able to be successful without my peers. They helped me study for not only exams in classes, but also the qualifying exam. And then in classes, many times I would go to the professor's office hours and they would just explain things from a different direction and really help me gain a full understanding of the content.
Mines has been an amazing environment, be it the peers or the faculty who I've done courses with or the faculty who have advised me during my research journey. I don't think I could have gotten through this without their support and encouragement throughout.
A Mines degree provides a lot of opportunity because there's a lot of weight just held by the name of a Mines degree.
Oh my God, you're a Mines grad? For all of us to carry that with us wherever we go. Something that's really beautiful, and just knowing that we come from hard work, being able to go out into the world and show everybody what a Mines grad is, I think is incredibly powerful.